Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid ferries on Google Maps. In Google Maps, avoid ferries generally means that in a road or way you are going to travel, you'll have no ferry or water travel crossways. It generally allows you to plan a route that has no ferries. This will help you navigate an alternative route to travel on. So, to avoid ferries on Google Maps, open your Google Maps application on your mobile phone. After this, here you can see search your bar on the top. Tap on search your bar. Then enter your destination location. After this, tap on your location. Now here you can see a preview. Now tap on directions option present on the left side. After this, tap on choose a start location and enter the location from where you want to start from. After this, it will suggest you a route. Now to avoid ferries on the way, tap on three dots present on the top. After this, tap on options present on the first. Now here you can see different kind of options. Now here you can see avoid ferries. Now tap on the small notch present near avoid ferries. With this, you'll be able to plan a route with no ferries. Here you can see avoiding ferries present on the top. That means Google Map is suggesting me a route without any ferries. This is how we can avoid ferries on Google Maps. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.